Hi, my name is Mercedes Peña. I'm the high school, middle school librarian here at Lincoln. Admission at the libraries here is to create actually a space to do some exploring, self-navigate, discover, and share, basically a place of belonging. When it comes to our academic life, I think it's important to remember that our school offers 3 different diplomas. So in that sense, the library provides supports for all 3 curriculums. That means that our students and teachers can have access to a variety of sources to help them with their classes. We also host different research sessions where we teach our students how to evaluate source of information and help them become those strong critical thinkers. And we are very mindful when it comes to diversity, representation within our catalog, and accessibility. We also give access to ebooks, audiobooks, databases, and of course we always encourage our students and everyone in the community to check out our printed materials. We have a big catalog with books in many different languages. The library also promotes different celebrations throughout the year. We do celebrate Poetry Month. We also host Reading Week, the moment of the year in which we invite all our community to read. We invite authors, and we also host a book fair with publishers from here in Argentina. Our goal ultimately is to nurture accountable and empathic individuals who are ready to become the agents of change that the world needs today.